For today's video, we're going to Baguio City and we're coming all the way from Bacolod. Let's go! We're here! We arrived na in Manila. We're getting our bags lang, tapos we'll get a taxi to our hotel. Okay, kain muna kami here in Wendy's while waiting for our grab and check-in time. Okay, hi guys! We've arrived na dito sa Red Doors sa Parañaque. And this is what the room looks like. Meron silang pa-kitchen, small ref, rice cooker, kettle, baso, working naman yung water, my fire extinguisher, sofa, dining table, and then my TV, restroom. May damage lang yung door. Pero restroom is pretty decent. Ayan. This is a one-bedroom unit pala. Deluxe, I think. Ayan. May pa-aircon, may shelving. So we're staying here lang naman for one night kasi tomorrow we have an early trip to Baguio. So stopover lang talaga to para makapagpahinga, makapagbihis, makapag-work ng konti. See you later! So nandito na kami sa Victory Liner sa Pasay and you're probably wondering bakit sa Parañaque kami nag-overnight. Well, originally kasi we thought na may first class na Victory Liner bus going to Baguio doon sa PITX. But we just discovered at the last minute na wala na palang Victory Liner doon. Sa Pasay Terminal na lang merong Victory Liner na first class bus going to Baguio. Meron na rin namang ibang bus liner sa PITX going to Baguio but it's Joyride and Solid North. You can check them out rin naman but our personal preference lang talaga is Victory Liner because of good reviews. Excited na yan! 2021. Dito, doon yung chair natin. Dito. Dito ka tayo. May pa-free snacks din sila. Ayan, kita nyo naman. Thank you. Thank you. So our bus left Pasay at exactly 8:20 a.m. Mabilis naman yung biyahe, non-stop din siya. So be prepared to bring baon. And we reached Baguio around 12:30 p.m. Sakto lang around a little after lunchtime. Forward lang. Okay. Thank you. Yay! So ayun, we arrived safe and sound. Hindi nyo rin mamamalayan yung 4.5 hours na bus ride kasi matutulog ka lang talaga mostly. And we stayed here at Mega Tower 3 na condotel. It's located along Sandico Street. Okay sila, okay yung facilities, maayos, malinis, affordable, and it's just a 10-minute walk from SM Baguio. So check them out also. You can find them on Agoda. Part 2 coming soon. Thanks!